Assuming an insurance company accepts a claim, you may be entitled to wage loss benefits. If your doctor says that you are completely incapable of working, or puts you on restrictions and your employer has no work available within those restrictions, you would be entitled to a benefit called temporary total disability benefits. What that means is that you get 2/3 of your average weekly wage as long as you continue to be on those restrictions. If at some point your doctor says you can go back to work part-time and your employer allows that to happen, you would get 2/3 of the difference between the old average weekly wage and what you're making part-time. If you suffer from a very severe injury, you may be entitled to something called permanent total disability benefits. What this means is if you can prove very definitive certain factors, depending on the certain circumstances of your case, you would get 2/3 of your average weekly wage up until the age of retirement. It's important to contact a lawyer about this because there's not an insurance company that would voluntarily pay that type of a benefit. Another type of benefit that you may be entitled to is called permanent partial disability benefits. State law has put a percentage on certain body parts. For example, if you were to lose a finger at work, state law says that is worth a percentage, and what you do is you multiply that percentage times a lump sum, and then you get a check for whatever amount that is. It's very dependent on what state law is and what your doctor says.